keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning!
Welcome back, dear students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 3, Subject English Grammar, Topic Between and Among. Students, already we have learnt about prepositions. Between and among are also prepositions. So let's learn about between and among and how to use these prepositions. Between. It is used to describe something being in the middle of two other things. When we talk about two people, places, or things, we use the preposition between. Examples: I have to choose between two shirts. The boy was sitting between his parents. So, here we can see whenever we are talking about two people, places, or any things which are two in number, there we can use preposition between. Now you can see here in the picture there is a red ball between two blue boxes. So ball is between these two boxes. In the other picture you can see the cat sat between the two girls. The cat is in the middle of these two girls. So that is why we are using the preposition between. Now let's do some exercise regarding the preposition between. Do you know the difference between adding and subtracting? Now here we are talking about adding and subtracting. These are two things. That is why we are using the preposition between. Second, the two boys divided the sweets between themselves and left nothing for the others. Now again here how many boys are there? Two boys. So we are using preposition between. You have to choose between going for a film and going for a picnic. Fourth, the magician held the matchstick between his toes. How many stops are there between Pune and Mumbai? Here you can see in all the sentences we are talking about two people or two places or two things. That is why we have used the preposition between. Now let's learn about among. Where we can use among as preposition, let's see. Among is used to portray the idea of being part of a group or in the midst of a group. When we talk about more than two people or things, we use the preposition among. Among is usually followed by a plural noun. Example: Saksham is very popular among the students. Here we are using preposition among because there are many students. Here we are not talking about two students, here we are talking about a group of students. So that is why we are using preposition among. Now see this example: Raj distributed the apples among children. Here we can see that there are more than two people, that is why we are using preposition among. So students, you all have to keep this point in your mind that whenever we are talking about more than two people, places or things, we should use among as preposition. And when we are talking about two people or places or things, that time we can use between as preposition. Now let's have a look on this exercise. First one, who among you is willing to go first into the tunnel? Here we are asking to a particular group that who is willing to go first into the tunnel. Second, among the trees in the forest was a hut made of chocolate. Third, one among you will be chosen to be the leader. Fourth, the prince distributed his wealth among the poor. So here in all the sentences you can see we are talking about more than two people, places or things. That is why we have used here among as preposition. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep learning new things every day. Enjoy your learning. See you soon.